Have you ever watched a chart move quietly and felt that a big shift is building underneath the surface, even when the market looks slow on the outside? That silent pressure where nothing dramatic is happening yet, but the structure keeps tightening and preparing for its next direction. That is exactly the kind of moment we are standing in right now with Stellar. This is Shah, and today we are taking a deep look at Stellar with a clear and steady breakdown so you understand what the chart is truly telling us. And Stellar is currently priced around $0.25, and when we start from the daily time frame, the picture becomes very straightforward. The overall structure on the daily has been in a clean downtrend for a long period. Lower highs, lower lows, and consistent selling pressure have kept the chart suppressed. But now, something meaningful has changed. Stellar has reached a strong support area around $0.22, a level where buyers stepped in strongly before, and once again, the market respected it. From this support, Stellar bounced and began heading toward the resistance at $0.30. This bounce is not aggressive or explosive, but steady and controlled, showing that buyers are willing to defend this zone. The daily time frame tells us that the previous trend was fully bearish, but the current reaction from support shows that the market does not want to drop immediately. It is a shift in the behavior, not a reversal yet, but a shift worth paying attention to. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame to get a clearer and closer look at what is happening internally. On the 4-hour, we draw a descending trend line that has been holding the price inside a tightening structure. Right now, Stellar is sitting right at the edge of this trend line, preparing for a potential breakout. The chart is not forcing a move yet because Bitcoin itself is moving sideways, keeping many altcoins quiet and waiting. This sideways behavior often slows momentum, but it does not erase the buildup. If Stellar faces rejection at this trend line, then it is likely to fall back toward the support around $0.22 once more. That would simply keep the range intact and maintain the wider structure. But if Stellar manages to break above the trend line with a clear and strong green candle, that move can send the price directly towards $0.30 and possibly even higher. A breakout here would show a shift in trend on the lower time frame, while the higher time frame starts forming a base for a possible long-term reversal. The key thing to focus on right now is behavior. Stellar bouncing from support, holding above it, and pressing against the trend line is a stable sign. The market is not rushing, not overreacting, but building momentum patiently. If the breakout comes, it will be clean. If rejection comes, it will simply return to support where liquidity sits. Stay calm, stay observant, and make sure your decisions align with structure. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow for more steady and simple breakdowns.